So on this hexagon, we know that the distance from corner to corner right here is 14 inches. And this problem, we're going to find the area of this hexagon. And the area of a hexagon, the formula is 3a squared square roots of 3 over 2. Or if you just said 3 square root of 3 divided by 2, 3 times the square root of 3 divided by 2, that would just give you 2.598. And then we could include our a squared with it. So either way that you want to look at the formula, this way right here is probably the easiest method. But we need to know what a squared is. And what is a in the first place? A is just this distance right here of one of these sides. Anyway, there's a formula that says, we don't have a formula for a, but there's a formula that says the distance from corner to corner, which we have. The distance from corner to corner is that 14 inches right here. The distance from corner to corner is equal to 2 times a. Well, if I know that I know 14 is equal to 2a, I can divide both sides by 2 and get that a is equal to 7. So now I know that this distance right here of this a region is 7 inches across. So now all I need to do is plug this 7 in for a, and I need to square it. So I used the formula that had the decimal version up here, so the 2.598. I plugged the 7 in that we found, and now I'm going to square it. Whenever we multiply the 2.598 times 49, we get 127.302, and that is inches squared for our area of that hexagon.